Students, welcome back in my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka Rai. Hope you all are doing great and you are fit and fine at your home. Let's start today's video, but before it you have to like the video and subscribe my channel to get the notification about new videos. Student, please study well. If you are having any problem, you can write in the comment box about your queries. I will reply shortly. Student, in the last tutorial, we have discussed undo and redo feature of Microsoft Excel. In today's tutorial also, we are going to discuss some more features of Microsoft Excel. Let's start. Copying and moving data. This is one of the most important feature of Microsoft Excel. We can move data from one place to another in two ways. We can either make a copy at another location using copy and paste, or remove the data from one place using cut and place it at another location using paste. In the first way, we can only paste a copy of the data, but the data will be at the original place as it is. But in the second way, we can remove data from the first place and we can place that data anywhere in the worksheet, okay. Let's watch it practically. Cut, copy and paste. This is one of the most used command in most application. It can be used to transfer information to or from Excel. To understand it, let's suppose I'm writing a word here like test, okay, and I want to paste it in the second row, okay. So for it, what I will do, I will go to home tab. You can see there is a button. This is the copy option, okay, copy button. So what I will do, I will just click on the copy and then I will click at the location where I want to paste and then I will click on paste button. So you can see my data is now it is pasted on the another location. So now I'm going to use cut. Okay, no, so I have used cut and I have just click on the A3 cell and click on paste. You can see the data is removed from the original position. It means A1 cell, and now it is pasted in A3. Clear, student? So this is your copy paste and cut paste feature. Student, keep in mind, for cut we use Control X, for paste we use Control V, and for copy we can use Control C. These are the keyboard shortcut commands, okay, for cut, paste and copy. Another feature which we will discuss today is autofill feature of Microsoft Excel. So in MS Excel, we can say MS Excel has a feature that help us to enter data automatically. As the name is indicating, autofill. So it just enter the data and automatically. We can use this feature called autofill. Autofill feature can be used with the help of fill handle. Fill handle is available at the right bottom corner of the cell, okay, with a small square or plus sign is there, green color. So let's watch it practically. Student, this is the Excel worksheet, and to understand it, like in any cell, I'm just going to write a month name, like I'm writing January. So just to write up to December, obviously I have to write the whole data like January, February up to December. To shorten up this process, what I will do, I will bring my cursor. You can see this is the right bottom corner and this plus symbol is there. So I will just drag it. This is the fill handle. I will just drag it and it will fill the series, or you can say all the month names up to December. Like I'm writing OCT. This is the shortcut for the October, and then I click on the enter button, and same process, I'm just dragging the fill handle in the horizontal direction, and you can see the series is of the month names up to May. It is indicating October, November in the same manner. Like this, I can write MON. This is the shortcut for the Monday. And again, I'm just clicking on the enter button, and same process. With the help of fill handle, I'm dragging it vertically now. So you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It just fill the cells up to where I have dragged till there my days are coming. So this is your autofill feature of Microsoft Excel. In the same way, you can write the series also, like you have written 1 2, so you can drag and you can fill up to which number you want to fill. Okay, so student, just go through your book also after watching this video, because all the steps are clearly mentioned in your computer book. So after watching the video, you have to refer your book properly for further reading, and you can ask about any doubt in the WebEx session also, or you can write about query in my YouTube comment box. So till then, take care. Goodbye.